Welcome to Vegan Finds, where we're going to turn this into this Chicken of the Woods Murphy. This looks delicious. Alright, by now you should be familiar with this guy right here, Chicken of the Woods mushrooms, and we are going to take this and turn it into Chicken of the Woods Murphy. So I'm going to start breaking apart the pieces of the Chicken of the Woods and tell you about what we have going in there. So in addition to the Chicken of the Woods, we got some beautiful yellow Yukon potatoes sliced up. We've got some really fabulous shiitake mushrooms that are going to go in there. We bought these lovely spring onions that are also going to go, red peppers, and in my handy dandy jar here I've got pepperocini, I've got pepperdew, and I've got the quintessential Italian hot cherry peppers. So those are all going to go in there, plus a healthy dose of pepperocini brine. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to put this all together. It's a one pan meal, simple to put together, simple to make, yummy to eat.
Okay, so we are going to start heating our oil. So in the pan, I have some sunflower oil. And we are going to heat that so we can add our potatoes. And we are going to add our potatoes so that they cook first, because the potatoes are going to take the longest out of all of these things to cook. So you're going to want to cook your potatoes not to the done point, because, well, you're going to have to cook other things, but almost done. In this particular case, because we're not cooking the actual chicken, you're going to want to get these more towards done than not, because we don't have to actually cook chicken. So I used some potatoes we got from the farmer's market. I don't know what kind they are. Stuart probably does. But they were newer potatoes with a very thin skin. So when I cut them, I did not peel them. I just cut them. You just want to move them around so that they're all coated in the oil. I'm just going to cook that. Now you can hear it sizzling. And the next to go in the pot is going to be our peppers and our onions, because again, they're going to cook. They're going to take a minute to get going. Okay, so we're going to let these cook down, and then we're going to add our peppers and our onions. So a great way to cut down on the cooking time of the potato would be to microwave it first, and then cut it, and then finish cooking it here. You don't want to cook it fully in the microwave. Just enough that you're cutting down on your cooking time a little bit in the pan. Especially if you just want a quick, really, really quick dinner. Now to this, we are going to add our 1 red pepper, our 1 medium onion, the shiitake mushrooms. So I have about a half a pound of shiitake mushrooms, and that's just going to go in the pan. And you're just going to want to give that a good toss and start to cook everything together. So we're going to let this cook down, and then I'll show you the next step. So to that, I'm going to add 1 thing of minced garlic, 1 clove of minced garlic. Oh yeah, now you're starting to smell that garlic. We're just going to keep cooking this down. So growing up, Chicken Murphy was one of my favorite dishes. One of my aunts would bring it over when we had picnics, and I absolutely love Chicken Murphy. It's spicy and just layered in flavor, and I really did like love it. Okay, so now we're gonna add our chicken of the woods to the pot. Stuart's gonna get us, I'm breaking up some of the bigger pieces. Stuart's getting us a cup of not chicken broth that's going to be added to this to allow it to cook. Then we're going to add, so what I have here is 1/4 of a cup of the juice that comes in the pepperocini jar. And we're just going to add that. Oh, it smells so good. Now, if you want it, the spice went right up my nose. If you want it a little spicier, because you may want your chicken Murphy a little spicier, the jar in which you get your cherry peppers, take a little of that juice and throw that in. So you can add Beyond Meat sausage to this, or you can make the sausage that we made and add that. Oh yeah. Yeah, can you add that? And then we're going to throw, oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so we're going to let this cook down. And now, for the thing that's really going to set your chicken Murphy. In this bowl, I have pepperocini, I have pepperdews, and I have sliced cherry peppers. So this is about a cup. I mix them. If you do not want it as spicy, you can adjust your peppers to the way you like it. And we're just going to dump that in. And we're just going to give it a good toss. And we're just going to let the chicken and the mushrooms cook. And I will see you in a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we're done here. I let it cook for about 10 minutes. And it's all like nice and cooked through. And I swear the pepper is getting right in my eye. So we're going to plate this and we'll see you right back here.
Okay, so Doris did all the work. I get all the glory. This is chicken of the woods, Murphy style. We got our hot peppers. We got our regular peppers. We got some potatoes. We got some onions. We got everything that you could want in a nice dish with some meaty, eaty chicken of the woods mushrooms.
The shiitake mushroom
Yeah.
picks up that heat so well. I highly recommend using the shiitake mushroom.
Yeah. Skip the button. Go straight to shiitake. This is don't pass go. Keep on eating. Absolutely delicious. So, if you like our recipes, stick around and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when we come out with more recipes. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We like to know what you guys are cooking. We like to hear from you, aside from the people who go, "Hey, that's not chicken." We know that. So be healthy, enjoy, have some fun. Don't take cooking too seriously. I know we don't. And we'll see you the next time. Oh wait, I forgot to mention. Follow us on Instagram at Vegan Finds. Follow us on Twitter at Vegan Finds. Follow us on Facebook, Vegan. What is it again?
Fine.
Vegan Finds. That's right. So, be well, be happy, enjoy.